Hi dear, today we will see the activity 6.4. Okay, so what we are going to show in activity 6.4 is that CO2 is produced during respiration. Okay, right? You know the respiration process. What does mean by respiration process? It's producing the energy when oxygen react with the glucose, right? When oxygen, when you inhale, oxygen is enter into our body. That oxygen reacts with the glucose C6H12O6 and you will get the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Energy is released. This is your respiration process, right? The CO2 is produced during the respiration, right? So we are going to prove that CO2 is produced in the respiration process. Okay. So for that we need some fresh lime water, right? Take some freshly prepared lime water in a test tube A. Okay. Then you have to blow air through this lime water. Okay. You have to blow through a straw. You can blow the air into the lime water. Okay. Note down the time taken for the lime water to turn milky. Okay. So what is the reaction taking place here? When you blow this air, when you blow the air from your mouth into this lime water, it turns milky. Okay, you have to note down how much time it will take for the lime water to turn milky. Okay, note down that. Next, say in another test tube, take some freshly prepared lime water. Okay, in a test tube B. So now you are going to use a syringe or pitchkari, that is a pump like structure, right? So if you want to blow this balloon, you can use the pump, right? So many balloons, you need some pump to blow that, right? So you can use a syringe or pitchkari to pass air through this lime water. So you are going to take a freshly prepared lime water in another test tube. You are going to pass the air through the syringe or pitchkari. Okay. And also for this also you are going to note down the time taken for the lime water to turn milky in the test tube B. So what you are going to do? You are going to take two test tubes. First here you are going to take a fresh lime water and you are going to use a straw and for example you are here. Okay, you are going to blow. You are going to blow air and we are going to note down how much time it will take to turn milky. Okay, and here you are going to use some syringe like or pitchkari pump like structure and you are going to pass the air. Okay, pass the air into that and you are going to note down the time, how much time it will take to turn this lime water milky. Okay. So, so why it turns milky? You know that. What is the freshly prepared lime means? Lime water means what? Freshly prepared lime water is, your lime is, quick lime is a calcium oxide, right? Calcium oxide when mixed with water. When mixed with water, it gives calcium hydroxide, right? Plus a lot of heat is produced. You have learned in chemistry first layer, right? Calcium hydroxide plus heat will be produced, right? So you are going to prepare the calcium slack lime water, calcium hydroxide by this method. Okay, this is commonly known as slack lime or lime water simply. Okay, so you are going to prepare a fresh lime water like this and you are going to pass the air, that is blow air. So what happens in that? When calcium hydroxide, if you blow air from your mouth, what is the air contain? In the exhalation of air, it contains some carbon dioxide and oxygen, but the carbon dioxide present in that exhalation of air contains reacts with the calcium hydroxide to form what? Calcium carbonate plus water. Do you remember this? This calcium slack lime, calcium hydroxide is used for whitewashing purpose. Okay, after 2 or 3 days, this carbon dioxide present in the air reacts with the calcium hydroxide to form a calcium carbonate. Do you remember that? It gives a shiny finishing like structure, shiny finishing, right? It gives a shiny finishing, whitish structure, whitish color, correct? So this is what going to happen here when carbon dioxide is passed through the calcium hydroxide, it turns milky. That means the turns milky means that milky color is due to the formation of calcium carbonate here. Okay. Okay. What is your observation? When we blow air through mouth, it turns lime water milky instantaneously. Once you blow the air into the lime water, instantly it will turn into milky. Okay, because what happens when you exhale air? Do you remember that how many percentage of carbon dioxide is present in your exhale air? 4.4%. Do you remember that? Do you remember this? Okay, 4.4% carbon dioxide is present. In the inhalation of air from the atmosphere, it contains only 0.04% of carbon dioxide. Right? When you exhale, it contains 4.4%. Okay. Because of this, it turns into milky immediately when we blow air from your mouth. Okay. But in case of air is passed into the lime water using the syringe or pitchcurry, it takes lot of time to turn lime water milky. Why? Because here through this pitchcurry or something, you are going to pass air from atmosphere, right? When you push this, you will get only the air from the atmosphere is entered into the lime water. This atmosphere contain only how much percentage of carbon dioxide? 0.04%. Okay, it will take lot of time to turn the lime water into milky. Clear on this? So from what is the conclusion from this? When lime water turns milky when CO2 mixes with it. Okay, what happened? The lime water, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide or slacked lime, when reacts with carbon dioxide, you will get calcium carbonate. That is calcium carbonate precipitate, white precipitate plus water is formed. Right? Then what is another conclusion? Main conclusion. When air blown out from the mouth contains carbon dioxide. That is, from where you are getting the air? From our lungs. Okay, our lungs exhales carbon dioxide. This is the this shows that carbon dioxide is formed or carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. Okay, clear on this? Clear on this? So our aim is to what is the aim? Our aim is to prove that CO2 is produced during the respiration, right? How you are going to prove that? You are going to pass the CO2 formed during the respiration into a lime water. When the CO2 reacts with the lime water, it forms a calcium carbonate. That is, it turns into milky white, milky color. Okay. So, but when you pass the atmospheric air into the lime water, it takes lot of time and efforts to turn that lime water into milky, because the atmosphere contains only 0.04% carbon dioxide only. Okay, so here in this activity we have done this experiment to show that respiration end product is your carbon dioxide. And you remember this activity 6.3 talks about this nutrition process. What is happening in the nutrition process? That is, salivary amylase present in the saliva digests the starch. Okay, and this activity 6.1 and 6.2 shows that why chlorophyll is essential for the photosynthesis, and the 6.2 why carbon dioxide is essential for the photosynthesis process. Clear? Thank you.